Good morning guys, how are you guys doing today? I'm starting today's video very early in the morning, that's why I said good morning. Of course, the reason I started the video there guys is because we are going quad biking and I got a thick helmet on. Got a crazy liner, KM on the tractor and another one. It's been half an hour, we've been riding quad bike. I think I'm sick. I've eaten so much of dust for the first time in my life guys. As you guys can see, the dust is everywhere. I don't know what to do guys. It's the worst it's the worst when that happens guys. I know I have a chest mount on guys, but like as you guys can see, it's not a chest mount for GoPros. It's actually a chest mount for a phone and it's a bit loose, so if we're lucky we'll get chest mount footage. The reason it's loose is because I never screwed it on properly. So if you guys are lucky, maybe you guys will get point of view footage. And that's the reason in the first half an hour I never give you guys any footage. Our destination is actually Alzu, but of course not Vura or Fiji. We're actually going to the Alzu garage where there's like animals and food and things like that. So yeah, let's continue with the ride. Guys, finally made it to Alzu. As you guys can see in the background, I'm full of dust. My beard is not dyed. It's just dust, guys. The great rhino. These animals are so beautiful. It's sad to say, but soon they'll be extinct and we won't be able to see them in person. Don't they look fake, guys? I don't know. To me, the rhinos look very fake. I mean, they look exactly like this rhino over here. So I got some sad news for you guys. I actually brought my drone. I was gonna get a few cool shots of the animals, guys, but a kind lady told me that there's a board that says no drones allowed. Otherwise, management will confiscate my drone. I don't want to risk it. I guess now I'll just have to give you cinematics from my camera.
If it's written in the stars, close your eyes and listen to the rhythm of your heart. If it's written in the stars, close your eyes and listen to the rhythm of your heart. If it's written in the stars, close your eyes and listen to the rhythm of your heart. If it's written in the stars, close your eyes and listen to.
So we just got done eating, guys. I'm actually heading back to the bikes. We're actually gonna leave. I think I'm gonna put you guys in point of view. Let's go. We are in point of view, guys. Lovely, let's go. Not my Guys, I'm just busy editing. I realized the point of view footage is horrible. Okay, I'm sorry about that. It was my first time. Forgive me, but enjoy the rest of it. Oh, guys, we just stopped for a break. I just took out the chest mount. The shots were not the best. I think I should get a GoPro or something cool that I can stick to the helmet for next time. But yeah, I hope you guys liked that POV shots. It wasn't the best, to be honest, I won't lie. I can do much better.
A few moments later.
Craziest part of quad biking, guys. Check what's happening. I actually got stuck. Oh, crazy. I think the water, well, the mud water was like till my knees. Let's see how the cannon pushes him out. The tire is flat. Another problem. First I got stuck in the mud, and now we have two flat tires. Of course the back one is and the front one is also and I'm stuck in the desert or in the jungle, whatever you guys want to call it. I'm honestly so now. I'm sorry for swearing so much, but look at my hair, look at my face. I need water. I tried pushing the quad bike out of the mud, which came right till my knees. I can't even lift my leg up. It came right till my knees. The boots are filled with water. I'm dying. I need drinking water. But anyway, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this adventurous video. Let me know if you guys want me to do more videos like this. But anyway, I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, goodbye.
Listen to the rhythm of your heart. If it's written in the stars, close your eyes and listen to the rhythm of your heart. If it's written in